second destruction video. Samsung Juke. Goodish phone. But I can't talk. Service failed and everything. But look, it works and everything. Watch. I have music already on it. Still works. I'm gonna destroy it because it kind of sucks. For safety reasons, taking the back off because it could explode. So, yeah. Goodbye, Samsung Juke. Let me point this at the ground so you can get full action. It's my second destroy video. All the way out to here. Durable. Very durable. Very, very durable. Bring it up a little bit. Durable little suckers. But not durable enough. Goodbye. Wait. Still works. Alright, still works. Still works. Make sure you guys can see that. You can see it. You can see it. First smash. Looks like it did all the damage it needs to do. Let's see. I'm gonna do step by step and find out it's gonna stop working. It does. I don't think it works anymore. It still works. But I broke the screen so bad on it. Alright. Samsung Juke, you are the worst phone ever. You suck. Ow, that hurt. I would never recommend the Samsung Juke because they suck. Never do what they're supposed to do. That's the reason. This is what your Samsung Juke is made of. What's that? I don't know. Part of the phone. One of the many parts. Woo! Crash, baby. Crash and burn. I will be the most surprised human being on earth if this still hurts. No. I don't even want to test it. This is what your Samsung Juke is made of. Garbage. That is what your Samsung Juke is made of. Trash. Every phone is made of. Trash. Crush. I'm having fun. Start getting it. Oh, there's another piece. There's a Samsung Juke. There it is. There it goes. No. Bye-bye, silly phone. Silly phone. You don't want to sell anything? You suck. Wait. Rusty hammer. Crappy phone. Ooh, stabbed me. Unable to help myself. Oh, there it is. Stuck. There it goes. Well, here's a sweet piece of that. And there is my Samsung Juke.